Are you looking how to add your social media icons to your Wix website? In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Facebook, your Instagram, and your TikTok to Wix. If you find this video helpful, if you go down and drop us a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel so we can help you grow your business. And without further ado, we'll jump into the video. So here we are on a Wix website. We're currently inside Beezer Activities. We're on the footer. And we're going to be using this website to show you how we're going to change the social icons on Wix. So if we jump back into editor, to add social icons to start with, you're going to want to come over to add elements, scroll all the way down to social, which is it's about the 10th one down. I'm not going to count it though. And then you can add whichever social icons you like. And wherever you like on your footer that suits you. And for this video, we'll use this new social icon I set up just here. So you want to go into set social links. Your first one is going to be Instagram, or whichever one you use. You can delete these icons, you can add new ones. You can go in and add icons and add in your Amazon account, your Apple Music, various different icons you can add into Snapchat. You've got your Slack, whatever icon you're looking for. I'm sure you'll be able to find it just by searching for the different icons. But for this video, we're going to go over how you set up Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm not going to do LinkedIn. I'm not going to do YouTube, and we will do TikTok as well. So you want to just come over onto the icon you're editing. Click on the link here, and it currently is going to say instagram.com/Wix. You then want to come over to Instagram. I know I've just spelled that wrong, but it did find out what I was looking for. Search for your business, which we're going to be looking for Beezer Activities. And then in the URL is going to say instagram.com/Beezer Activities, or whatever your business is called. You're going to then want to just copy and paste that back into Wix Editor and paste it in the web address here. You can either have it open in a new window or a current window. If this is going to be on a phone, most likely it will jump into the Instagram app if someone has that loaded on their phone. Next one we're going to do is Facebook. Very same idea. It's currently going to be saying facebook.com/Wix. So we're going to jump into Facebook. And we're going to be searching for our business. And same thing again, here is our business. We're going to be selecting the URL, copying the URL over into Wix, and pasting it into Wix, and there you go. So we have just completed our Facebook one. I'm not going to do Twitter because it's been currently changed over to x.com and we haven't got the login correctly. We can do the TikTok one. So similar thing, click on TikTok. It's currently going to say that it should be basically Wix's TikTok, but we're going to jump into TikTok. We'll ask you to log in. And once you're inside TikTok, just go ahead and search for your business. Go on to your business, and again, very similar thing. Grab the URL off the internet and go back over into Wix and paste it into your URL for Wix websites. And there you have it. Then we can go down to done. There will be our social bar. Again, you can move it around, you can make it bigger, you can fit it wherever you fancy on your website. And you can click on all the icons and they'll take you over to your social profiles on various social medias. And there you have it. There was our video on how to add your social icons to your Wix website. If If you found this video helpful, if you go down below and drop us a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel so we can help you grow your business. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next video.